Hey loves, and welcome back to another sit down video. If you are seeing my face for the first time, my name is Miriam and you're welcome to my channel. In today's video guys, I'm sharing with you 10 hygiene tips that have changed my life. Guys, these are tips I've practiced in the space of 3 years, and I guaranteed you that these tips change the way I look, the way I smell, my confidence, and these tips works. Guys, every of these tips I have done them and they actually work. So I'm here to share the 10 of them. If this is a video you're interested in, please keep on watching. And guys, I will not come up here to give you tips that I haven't tried. Guys, these things are what I've tried over the years and they actually work for me. I wouldn't tell you I will recommend something that I don't know if it is going to work for you. So these 10 tips are something I know that I've used, I've tried, I've been doing consistently that worked for me. So here are the 10 healthy tips. First, number 1 on my list is change your toothbrush every 3 months. Guys, 3 months max. 3 months max, change your toothbrush. There's so much bacteria in our mouth that we cannot keep using the same toothbrush over and over and over. You need to change your toothbrush. You need to change it once in 3 months max. I've seen someone using brush I've seen people using brush for 6 months, for 1 year. Guys, that's so wrong. That is so wrong. 3 months max. You need to get rid of that toothbrush. So that's my first tip. For the second hygiene tip, scrub your skin once in a week. Guys, scrubbing does so much to our skin. Scrubbing your skin takes out the dead cells and leaves you with a glowing skin. You need to invest in good scrub. I made a video about scrub. You guys should go check it out. You need to invest in good scrub. Buy scrub once in every week. Take you out a time, scrub your body, spend time in the bedroom, scrub every part of your body. You will feel much better after that. You guys try it and let me know how you feel. Scrub your body at least once a week. For the third on my list is brushing before breakfast. Guys, I'm looking at my list. I've made a list of it. Brushing your teeth before breakfast. Guys, once you wake up in the morning, there is this odor that comes out of your mouth. You need to take it out. You need to brush those bacteria that have packed in your mouth while you are asleep. Why will you eat food and take it back inside? You need to brush it out before you eat. I don't know how some people feel very comfortable to eat without brushing. Guys, you need to stop it. If you are doing that, stop it. Make sure you take out those bacteria. Make sure you wash out your mouth. Your mouth is clean before breakfast. That's a hygiene tip I have for you. Brush before you eat your breakfast. Then my fourth tip is hair removal cream. Guys, you guys should invest in hair removal cream. I don't know about you, but hair removal cream does it for me. Hair removal, if you wax, that's beautiful, that's good, but hair removal cream is actually good. For my underarm, I can't use shaving big. Shaving big gives me bumps here, so I use hair removal cream. That's why I'm advising you guys to use. If you're someone that have bumps after using shaving stick, I think you should just get a good hair removal cream and say goodbye to all those bumps and stuff there. Just buy hair removal cream. The fifth one is showering twice a day. Guys, you leave the house, you sweat, you meet different people from different houses, from different places. You've had handshakes with them. You don't know what they touch. You don't know where they are from. Where they are coming from. You need to shower as soon as you get back home. You need to shower. If not for anything, for the fact that you've sweat during the day, you've gone out, you've met people, you've been in contact with people that you don't know about their hygiene. You need to shower at least twice a day. Then the sixth one is changing your pillowcases and your bed sheets. So many people can use a pillowcase for as long as it stays there. So many people use pillowcase for months, weeks. You've not changed your pillowcase. If you have acne prone skin, I advise you to always change your pillowcases. Always change your pillow at least once in 2 weeks, once in a week, once in 2 weeks. But change your pillowcases, guys. Change your bed sheet, wash it, sun dry it. Sun dry it. Keep your bed sheet clean at all time, especially if you have if your skin is so sensitive and you have acne prone skin. Always change your pillowcase. A tip is also similar to changing your pillowcase. That's changing your towel and your sponge. Change your towel and your sponge. Sun dried towels and sponge are always dried in the bedroom, which is not good. Take it outside for the sun to dry it. Sun dry your towels and your sponge. Change it when it's due time. At least once in a month you change your towel, you change your sponge. All these things are inexpensive. You can buy sponge of 200, 300. Change your sponge as often as possible. Then for your towel, always watch your towel and sun dry it. Guys, don't spread your towel in your bedroom, because some of them don't get to dry well, and the next morning you use it, the next day you use it. So sun dry is always advised. You should sun dry your towels and your sponge. The next tip on my list is invest in good perfume and body sprays. Guys, you can't go wrong with a perfume. You can't go wrong with a body spray. Invest in good perfume and body spray. Once you are leaving the house, you make use of your perfume. Invest in good, long-lasting perfume and body sprays. Those are hygiene tips that will help your life, that will improve how you smell, that will improve everything generally about you. Body spray and perfume. One day I was in a bank. I was writing something in their teller. One girl just passed me. Guys, I had to turn because of the girl's perfume. I didn't see her, but because of the perfume, I turned my back. So, invest in long-lasting and good perfume. It goes a long way in your life, in boosting your confidence, in boosting how you look, everything about you. So that's another tip. The next tip on my list is choose cotton panties over synthetic materials or fabric. Guys, go to market, you see so many synthetic fabrics, net pants, all those pants. Guys, cotton pants is the best. Choose cotton panties over synthetic materials or fabric. That's another tip. When you want to shop for your panties, I advise you to go for cotton panties. Other panties trapping air and moist down there, but cotton panties are what you need. Go for cotton panties. Guys, if you're watching to this moment and you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers, please. Yeah, guys, the last on my list is to eat healthy. Guys, that's saying that you are what you eat is actually true. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Make sure that anything you are taking inside of your body is healthy. Eat more of protein, vegetable, fruit. Take supplements that help your body. Eat healthy and stay healthy, guys. That's another hygiene tip I'm giving you together. And remember, portion control is key. You have to mix it together. You have to eat carbohydrates, vegetable, fruits, protein, fiber. You have to just eat healthy and stay healthy. That's the 10 hygiene tips I have. I'm giving you guys one bonus tip. That's stay hydrated. Guys, drink water. Drinking water does a lot of good to your body. Drink water and your body will thank you. always be hydrated. You doesn't need to take certain amount of water. Just take as much as you can. Drink water always, before food, after food. You can go on water therapy. When you wake up, you can take water after each meal. Just take water, drink water, be hydrated, guys. It does good to your body, to your skin, everything generally just does good to you. Yeah, guys, so these are the 10 hygiene tips I have for you. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. I hope this video was helpful. I hope this video was educative. I hope you learned one or two things to stop and to add in your hygiene journey. I hope I was able to educate you on hygiene with the little knowledge I have. I hope this video was helpful generally. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya. Bye.